I got Song Yadong Ding Dong beating up Cejudo, bro. Like, bro, Cejudo is slow. He's washed, bro. He's only getting older, you know? Like I said, man, like, this is kind of raps for Cejudo, man. Song Yadong in that Peter Yan fight, he looked very, very quick. They're both coming off losses. Who's the younger fighter, fresher fighter? Who's the taller, bigger fighter? Song Yadong. Like I said, this is not rocket science. Song Yadong is going to put the nail in the coffin for Cejudo, man. Cejudo is washed now, and we just gotta accept it, man. No more triple cringe, you know? He's more like triple ass, you know? So I got Song Yadong by round 2 KO over Cejudo.